Hey guys, this video's actually going to be something that it's a topic that as I'm talking about it, I will grasp a better understanding. And it's something that I've been looking at only because of the fact of law of attraction. Now, some of you won't or will know what that is, and that's fine. But the law of attraction is something I've lived my life by, and it's got me to this position already, and it will take me very, very far into the future. And what I'm going to tell you from this concept is, just because we don't know how to use something doesn't mean that it doesn't exist. So you're going to ask yourself, why should I carry on watching this video, and what do you mean by that? Well, there are a lot of things in life that we don't understand. There are a lot of things in life that we don't know how to use, i.e. concepts and certain things in life that associate with many other things. So what I want to bring to your attention today is, just because you don't know how to use it doesn't mean that it doesn't exist. So if somebody tells you about something and they say that, I've either experienced this, or I've gone through this, or I've done that, bear with it. Try to understand it, try to learn it, try to go through it. Because what you might find is, once you understand the concept and you understand how to apply and how to use it, i.e. the law of attraction, which is something that is very, very real, just like the law of gravity, right? And this is one of the most amazing points of this video, and one of the reasons why you should understand this, is that the law of attraction, very much like the law of gravity, are within the same, they are the same, just like the wind. There is a law that governs the wind, and just because you can't see it doesn't mean that it doesn't exist. Or you can, because you see it blowing in the trees, but still. Just because you can't physically perceive the wind doesn't mean that it doesn't exist. The same goes for the law of attraction and many other different topics and aspects in life. So it's something for you guys to think about when it comes to many different things. There's many applications of this, and like I said in the beginning of the video, I will build my understanding on this in the future, but just something that I thought about and I wanted to do a video about. So I hope you guys found that interesting. And if you didn't understand it, then drop it down in the comments and we'll try and get to the bottom of it, and I'll try and explain it to you. But thank you very much for watching, guys. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next video.